Don't underestimate the elegance and the complexity of this question. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video I really want to drive home problem solving in order of operations. So we've talked a lot about these things and I feel like they're being lost or I'm not making a big enough deal about them. So perfect example is basically every day I'm being given a new task to solve some sort of problem, but I'm not using any other tool other than order of operations and just problem solving and logic. So I say all that because I'm constantly being asked to talk about a new subject. And if you really think about it, there's documentation to be able to read through and learn how to use the packages that are being asked about. And I get introductions, but I can't tell you enough that because I get asked to do these things because other teammates are struggling to solve these problems, and business partners on the larger team don't have enough sophisticated skills for the sequel. So, all right. So what I kind of want to do is I want to challenge everybody here is this number triangle. I was actually going through, I think it was last week or the week before with a teammate, and I was showing them some Python. And this exercise right here, it has more to it than you think it does. And if you can constantly come back and rewrite something like this, and actually when I was doing this, and I will show you comparisons side by side of the original way I used to solve this and the current way I just solved it last week or the week before. I lose track. The weeks have been blurring together, and this week is my last week with Walmart. So I'm really going to hopefully be getting some videos up on LinkedIn here very soon. But what I want to challenge you with is solving this, because whenever we're going and solving a dilemma with programming, it really is you're taking human logic and you're turning it into Python logic or SQL logic or VB.NET logic or insert language logic. What are the tools that you have at hand? But you have to be able to do this in human logic first. How would you do this? Because you have to solve it there first and then convert it over. That has been my easiest technique that I use. All right, so the challenge for everybody is I don't want you to submit your solution in the comments down below. I want you to send them to me. I want you to DM them to me in the Discord server. And I want to highlight and give you props for the most elegant and or creative. So if there's both, I will give props to two individuals, and we'll go from there. But don't underestimate the elegance and the complexity of this question, because it covers, I promise, it covers everything. I go back to everything that I think of. It's like, it could, because you have loops here, and you're having to solve a problem of at the end of the loop, at the beginning of the loop, breaking order of operations, blah, 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 blah. What do I do in this situation? Da, 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 da. So, because we're in an all-out panic right now to try to get some things done, and I'm having to do some extremely rapid development, and trying not to put band-aids on anything, but fixing it forever and getting it done in a neat and orderly fashion before I hand things off to other teammates. So really spend some time trying to attack this. It's simple once you see it, but it's not simple until you do. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're checking out Patreon if you want to give us some support on the channel. Jumping over to the Discord server, and please DM your example of the solution to me, and we can go through this next week. And hopefully I'll have another video in the next day or so, and we'll go from there. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.